Hello, I got my Starbucks pink drink. She misspelled my name. I'm all caffeinated and ready to go because I'm so pumped to talk to you, to show you guys my box. It came and I'm so excited. And I'm just excited in general to talk about this opportunity because it's already been a huge blessing for me during all this craziness that happened. And I can't wait for you guys to see these. So I'm about to show you the box that I got. So let me back up just a little for those of you that don't know. So the previous company that I was working with changed their pay structure. And so that meant a 97% pay cut for me. And as the sole provider for my family, I had to make a pivot because that was not going to pay the bills. So I made the difficult decision to switch, and I'm really excited about it. I wanted to stay in the nail world, and my mind is blown by this new product. I'm like, where has this been my whole life? Where? So what I'm wearing right now is the press-ons. I've had these on since last Wednesday, so almost a week. And then this one, I was so excited. I had to do one on each hand. And so this one is the gel nails. And as soon as I tried these, I was like, I texted my sister. I was like, I'm going to save you so much money because you don't need to go to the salon anymore. Like this is going to save so many of our salon friends so much money. So, because it looks like you got it done at a salon. This one looks like acrylics from the salon, and this one looks like gel nails from the salon. I mean, this is my first time doing my nails and with these Kleo color, and they look professional and they have lasted so freaking long. I'm so happy with these. So let me show you everything that comes in the kit. And it's not called a kit, it's called a box. But the box that I got is the bold box. And because of course I had to go big, I had to go bold. That's how I do things. And so this is the largest box that you can get because it's also the biggest savings. This is almost a $400 value for only $180. But the cool news is that you can join for only $19, and you can get that pays for your whole year. You don't have to pay a monthly website fee or anything. So if you're on a budget, you can join for 19, or you can get a box for 80, or you can go big and go bold and get this box. I can't even fit it all in the screen. Okay, so this is the box that came from Kleo Color. It just came last night. I'm so excited. And I will show you all the goodies in here. Okay, so, and I'll try to get to your questions after I'm talking, after I'm done chatting. So, let me show you the press-ons first because that's what I am most excited about because I just love me some length. But they have lengths and shapes for everyone. So, these ones are the long ones, the long length, but they have medium. These are a medium, and these are like an almond shape. They've got, this is a short. Can you see the short? And these are more like a round shape. I mean, look at the shimmer. I'm in love. Okay, this one is the mediums. And then here's another, there's so many things in this box. Here's another medium. You can see there's glitters. This one has kind of like a straight, I don't know all the names yet. Hi, you guys. So fun to see so many of you. This one, I can't remember what shape this is. I'm still learning, y'all. I'm 4 days old. This one is, look at this. This is like a pearlescent. So good. Medium. And this is like an almond shape. Okay. Now, guess what is amazing about these? There's 30 in each box. So you can get multiple manis from 30. Robin says, OMG, I can't wait to see everything. I know, right? Okay, so this is the medium. I mean, look at these, like, y'all are gonna die when you see all the different styles. Like, go look at Kleo Kolor's Instagram. Look at their Valentine's. I lost my mind because I love me some pinks and reds, as you can see. And I was like, oh, these are like the Valentine's Day nails of my dreams. Yeah, Julie says, oh, says so good. Teresa says, OMG, give me the pearlescent. I know. Okay. I like that they also have a mixture of black, and then there's some accent nails in there too. These are, can you see the glitter? Yeah, you can see the glitter. Janelle says, I can't wait to try. I'm so excited. So excited for you to try them. You're going to lose your mind like I did. Here's the other thing I'm excited to try. I haven't tried these yet. They have pedicure press-ons, which sounds weird, but I've heard these are like super popular with the Kleo ladies because it just makes your toenails look freaking amazing. So can't wait to try these. And then they have, here's more press-on gels. I mean, look at the daisies. These are the French press-ons. These are a long one. Can you see? You can see how these are longer, right? I know, Teresa. Mixed Manny, right? Tammy says, I want to try. Girl, hit me up. If you guys want to try some, just go to kleokolor.com/Kelly, Kelli. And, okay, these are the ones I'm wearing. Whoops. Here, you can see. So these are a long set as well. So many. I have like a huge pile. Okay. So let me show you what else came in here too. So this, sorry, my alarm went off. This one is the gels. And I was like, when I first heard about Kleo's gel, LED gels, I was like, nope, because I have tried those DIY, like where you have like a big old clunky UV light and you're like doing, 17 steps and it takes an hour. I've done that before. I literally did it and I had the cotton ball get stuck to my fingernail polish and I was like, never again. So then when I tried this, I was blown away. It was a lot faster and so much easier. So much easier. Did not take me that long either. So these take like no time. And this one takes like maybe 5 minutes for both hands. This one takes maybe 10 to 15 for both hands. And what you do, I'll show you in a minute how it works, but I would just want to show you the different styles. And I'm not going to do an application on this video. I just want to show you my unboxing. You can go watch an application in my Kelly Me Happy Facebook group. I did a live application there. Okay. So these are the LED gel strips. And so let me show you the different styles. This one's Glitterati. It's like a kind of a nude glitter with a white ombre. This is not guilty, and it is a sort of pearlescent metallic. So good, so good. There's so many things in this box. I'm blown away. I feel really spoiled. This is Royal Aura. So this is like a shimmery blue. This one is New Woman. Oh my gosh. Look at that color. You know I love me pink. This one is Secret Weapon. There's more, but wait, there's more. Oh my gosh, there's so many. This one is Sugary Sweet. There's that. It's like a light pink. Visionary Violet. This one's a pedicure gel, not press-on. Sonia, they last 10 days to 2 weeks. I think these ones last 2 weeks and these ones last 10 days, or vice versa. I don't know. I'm still learning. This one's the pedicure. I don't know which one I'm going to put on. Maybe I'll do what I've done here and I'll put press-ons on this foot and gel on this, probably. It comes with the LED lamp. Let me show you the lamp. Oh wait, oh my gosh, there's another strip. Here's a black. I think this might be a matte black, but I'm not sure for sure. Here is the LED lamp, which by the way, when you buy 3 of these, you get the lamp free, which is awesome. So, And the lamp is not that expensive. I thought it would be really pricey, but I think it's only $15. And it's portable. You can fold it up. It's the cutest little thing. And like add a battery pack and travel with it, do your nails on the plane, whatever. Now let me talk about the remover really quick. So this is the remover and it's only $8. You do need to use their remover in order to get these off. But like I said, only $8, and it's gonna last you forever because you only need 1 drop. So this is the remover. It's oil-based. So again, I thought the remover process was gonna be a huge pain. But when I tried it, you just lift, you use a cuticle stick and you lift around the edges, and then you put 1 little drop of oil. So you really only need 1 drop to remove. And then you let it kind of like seep in, and then it sort of eases the gel nail off. And so that's what helps you maintain your nail health, is because the removal process is so good on your nails, and it's got that oil-based remover. So I removed this one so that I could go live in my Kelly Me Happy group. And when I did, I was all by myself and I was like, what? That's it? Like, it's that easy. It's that easy, you guys. What else? Oh, I want to show you. I'm going to move my giant box out of the way. I want to show you what they look like when you open them, just so you can see. Robin said, do they have a smell? No, they do not. That's a great question. Yeah, there has been no smell, which is nice. Okay, so this is the gel LED, which is this. Actually, they're called LED gel. I need to get that in my head. The LED gel, they are the ones that come in these, right? So, and they're the ones you use the LED lamp with. And when you open it up, it comes in this little container that you can reseal, which is awesome. So, and then when you open it up, you have these. This is what these look like. You can see I've already used some of them. And what you do is you just take one off, you align it with your nail, make sure it's like gonna fit your nail bed, take it off, press it on, and then I like to use scissors or clippers to kind of clip it close to flush to my nails. And then you use the LED light here and you put it under for like, a minute. And did you guys see that? I opened that with these nails and my nails didn't pop off. Like, mind blowing. My friend, her daughter plays volleyball all the time and she's like in the front, and these don't come off when she plays volleyball. It's mind blowing. Anyways, back to these ones. You just set them under here after you've clipped them all down, and then let them cure for like 60 seconds. And then you're done. And then you file them down and then you're done. It's like so easy. So that's where was I at? That's what these look like. And then you just can reseal them in here because they're opaque. So put it in here and reseal it, and then you can reuse it again. And I even just put, hey girl, hey from Texas. Hi, Gloria. I just put this on so I know what it looks like when I reuse it. You don't want to reuse like ones that have been on your nail because that's just gross. I'm just gonna say it. Okay, the other one I wanted to show you is what it looks like after, is this one that I put on my nails. And this one had 30 in it. You can see here's the leftovers. And then, so I can reuse these again. And these are glueless. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you a very essential piece. So these press-ons are glueless, which is why they don't pop off so easily, because these have this like magical unicorn adhesive on the back. It's like a tab, and you peel it off really easily, and then you just set it on your nail at a 45 degree angle and kind of like press it a little bit under your cuticle, and then you set it down and boom, it's on. Mind blowing, so easy. And the glue adhesive is kind of like a pad that absorbs, so that when you are like, you know what I mean, cracking open a Diet Coke, or, you know, pulling out the laundry or whatever, it kind of moves with you. And that's why they last so long. It's gonna blow you. It's mind blowing. It's mind blowing. I think that's everything. So yeah, I'm super excited about it. Tammy said, I'm going to go through your questions. Tammy said, how do you remove the stick-ons? Those were the ones I was saying that you just do the little oil drop. You remove them both with the oil. And then let me go back. Stephanie said, I may have to try these. I've never been into press-ons, but I see the reasoning, especially when you break a nail. I know, right? If you've ever had acrylics and it bends, oh, it hurts. I think I answered most of your questions, but let me scroll up one more. Yeah, so if you guys want to try these, go to kleokolor.com/Kelly. And if you're interested in joining me, you guys, this is blowing my mind. This is a ground floor opportunity. There are only 3,400 brand partners, so it's so new. It's like the best kept secret. Nobody knows about these, and you want to be the first one that they hear about it from. You don't want to be that girl that jumps in, 2 years later and says, I wish I would have joined you when it was ground floor opportunity. So get in on this. The girls that have already jumped in are already rank advancing. They're already earning trip points. They're making moves. They're making money, and we're having so much freaking fun, because that's one of my core values. I think that it should be fun to work your business. It should be simple, and like have boundaries with it, so that you can also, focus on your family. So I'm teaching all the strategies, all the things in our Facebook group, our team Facebook group. And we're having a big party tomorrow on Wednesday to welcome everyone that has joined us. And so if you're thinking about it, hop in with us so that you can join our welcome party Wednesday night. It is gonna be good, and for sure gonna be fun. I've almost already earned the trip to Cabo. That was something I was really sad that I was gonna miss out on, was, trips and conference. And Kleo Kolor has both. They have the trip to Cabo that you can earn. We're going in May, so you have all of February, all of March to earn it. And you guys, I'm probably gonna earn it today. That means I've earned it in 4 days. Like, if I can earn it in 4 days, you can earn it in 2 months, because they're giving double PQV points. So I feel like it's very doable for anyone that wants to go to Cabo with me. It's totally doable, and you are so capable of earning this. So I'm just a girl on a mission to empower other women to increase their income and their impact and have more fun while they're doing it. So thanks for watching, you guys. Have an amazing day. Bye.